square tight. Holding steady. Snapping now. Looks good. We're almost there, just a little deeper on the left side. Okay, bring it up.
Keep it tight to the wall. I'm starting the drill. Okay, I'll grab the shovel and start on the gravel pipe next.
Looks good. Yeah, alignment is spot on. All right, watch the clearance on your side. Holding it steady, tying it now. Looks good, keep them coming. Keep it moving to the left. All right, hold the flow. We need to spread this section first. All right, bring it down slow. Watch the left side. Easy, easy. Hold it there. Clear on this side. How's your end looking?
Yeah.
Centered. Looks perfectly aligned. Send the crane up. Okay, bring it down. Watch the gap on your side. Got it. Hitting the shims now.